Hey guys, Shay here with Metra Electronics. Today we're going to talk about a new product category from Axxess Interface. Let's discuss ANC, or Active Noise Cancelling bypass harnesses, that are now available. First, we answer the question, what is active noise canceling? Many vehicles have built-in microphones that are designed to measure the cabin noise of your vehicle. They measure things like road noise and background noise, then generate an inverted signal from the factory speakers to cancel out the noise, making the cabin quieter. So, if you decide to upgrade your vehicle speakers or maybe add a subwoofer, the added noise from the new components will be translated as interference by the vehicle. This will create issues in the audio system and may cause your speakers to produce a hum or loud audible noise. But don't worry, simply add in the Axxess ANC harness and voila, problem solved. Not sure which harness is right? Simply check out the vehicle fit guide on AxxessInterface.com. We're now offering ANC harnesses for Buick, Cadillac, Chevy, GMC, Ford, Lincoln, Chevy, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. And our detailed instructions will help you through the install. And of course, tech support is always only a phone call away. So check out these products and other Axxess products at AxxessInterfaces.com.